Hello, I'm Stephan from Germany. I'm an origami artist and an origami performer. I work in the streets of Germany live with my origami art. And I like to share today something with you on YouTube. Now I like to show the second 3D fold. The first was a magic triangle fold. And now I show curved folds. Curved folds can do fantastic things. I show a very simple bird. The people called it harmony birds because I always put two together, harmony birds, because they look so nice together and so elegant. I show them in origami DVD because I show a male and a female bird. That is a male type, and here I will show the female variation. You will wonder how easy it is to fold them, or maybe it's not so easy to fold them, but how little moves they have. And I can use papers which never used for origami. That is a Nepal paper. It is very ugly. You cannot fold it straight. It does what it wants because it is a handmade paper, very thick stuff inside. But it works well. And in some areas it is very thin, and some very fat. I combine two papers. I put an elephant hide inside. If you don't have elephant hide, you can combine it with aquarelle paper. Aquarelle paper or acrylic paper is very good. And you can use those fine, thin, elegant Japanese washi papers which are too thin for stable models. But that will go with everything. Folding two papers together is a trick I often use. It is very beautiful because it opens the range of papers you can use for origami. You can use any kind of wrapping or gift paper to fold because you just compensate the weakness of the decorating paper with another stiffer paper. That is a base. Now the 3D folds are always folds what we learned before, which are stopping somewhere in the paper. I only fold parts. That is not a tutorial, this video. I fold too fast to explain it. On the DVD I explain what I do very perfect. But I do curves, how you can see. That is very easy to do because the finger is round, the paper just follows the curve of the finger. And that I do relatively fast here on the DVD. I do it very slow. And now I use it just like a circle cutter to make a curved fold here. Oh, it was not beautiful. And now we just bend the head back. That is another example how easy and elegant origami can be. That are easy things on the blue DVD which does not look like child origami, which really look like masterpieces. And what I teach mainly is a kind of a master touch, how to give something to all our models we fold, what makes them better. We can use those techniques I show on other origami models, because it are in general shaping techniques. Now the paper is still very bad. Often I put something here to a clip here for the drying process. And those birds together are very beautiful as a couple. Yeah. Maybe that you see them better, I have to put something white under them. It's a very bad demonstration angle here for the camera. Yeah, that is why I hold them. Yeah, I show where I show those things. In this DVD I show different kind of three-dimensional fold. I start with the easiest one, often done by Tomoko Fuse. Then I start with a triangle fold, what allows you to fold any kind of shapes. And then I explain curves. Curves are very important because straight lines are a human accent. In nature you don't find straight lines. That is very funny. If the first thing we see is a human face, and there are no straight lines in the human face. That is maybe the reason why we think that curves are so expressive. If you fly over Siberia or over Alaska, you recognize where humans live directly on the strange light, because nature don't does him. Nature does one, that is the horizons, but if you look, or if you know, even the horizons is curved. That is why curves even so have place in origami, and we should just get used to use them. They are not difficult at all, because our fingertip is curved, and just going in here creates a curve. Okay, that is what I wanted to tell about shaping with curves on this easy Fasan module.